In this video, I'll show you 4 fixes for Task Scheduler error code 0x80070057 in Windows 11. Press Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. Type services.msc in the Run dialog box and hit the Enter key. Search for Task Scheduler service by scrolling down the Services window. Right-click on Task Scheduler and select Properties from the context menu. Select Automatic as Startup Type from the drop-down list and click Stop button to stop the Task Scheduler service. Then, make sure Automatic is selected as Startup Type and click Start button to start the Task Scheduler service as shown below. Click OK to make changes and close the Task Scheduler Properties window. Now try and check if the problem still persists. Press Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard to open Run command box. Type CMD in the Run box and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys together. Click Yes to continue on UAC prompt that pops up. Then type sfc/scano and hit the Enter key. This will start checking for any corrupted system files and will take some time to process, so please wait till it's done. You can see that sfc/scano command executed successfully. Restart your system and check once if the problem still appears. Restart your system. Log in onto your system with user account that has administrator privilege. Try to schedule a task using Task Scheduler. Check now if the problem reappears. Press Windows plus I keys together on your system to open Settings app. Click Windows Update on the left pane of the Settings window. Then, click on Check for Updates on the right side of Windows Update page, as shown below. If there are any updates available, please download and install them. Then, restart your system and check if the error code still appears. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.